Hello guys, welcome back to Gamut ID. 2019 Ford Mustang Bullitt. The Bullitt is back. Portage is on once more, off again. Unique version Mustang respecting the observed Steve McQueen motion picture. Bullitt restores this late spring, without a moment to spare to check the 50th commemoration of the film. This is the third time Ford has offered a Bullitt-marked exceptional release, following past variants in the 2001 and in the 2008-2009 model years. Demonstrated after the 1968 Ford Mustang 390 GT fastback driven by McQueen's character, Frank Bullitt, the 2019 Ford Mustang Bullitt version expands on the substance of the Mustang GT Premium with the performance bundle and incorporates updates. For example, Brembo 6-cylinder front brakes, a Torsen constrained slip differential, a bigger back against move bar, and a greater radiator to keep the Bullitt's 5.0-liter V8 motor cool amid broadened pursuits. It needs all the more cooling in light of the fact that the Bullitt turns the warmth up on the husky but its execution cordiality of an admission complex cribbed from the Shelby GT 350, 87mm throttle bodies, and a recalibrated powertrain control module. These progressions result in a sum of 475 pull, or 15 more than the regular Mustang GT, and help the Bullitt accomplish a best speed of 163 miles per hour, 8 mph more than the Mustang GT. Torque holds unfaltering at 420 lb-ft, and a 6-speed manual is the sole transmission advertised. To better station the soul of the first film motto, the 2019 Mustang Bullitt has been stripped of all outside badging. A solitary trunk-mounted identification denotes the model's association with the film and impersonates the outline of a fuel filler top. Moreover, Ford sprinkles the Bullitt with chrome around its badgeless grille and around its window line. Red brake calipers and 19-inch wheels finish the auto's look. Two paint hues will be accessible: Highland Green, similar to the first film motto, and Shadow Black. Inside, the Bullitt incorporates show particular signals. For example, green highlight sewing all through its cowhide lined inside, a white prompt ball style moved lever, and a unique welcome realistic inside the auto's 12.0-inch computerized measure group. Choices are few, however incorporate an accessible versatile suspension, Recaro seats, and a gadgets bundle that includes root, memory seating, and blind sight observing with raised cross movement caution. Passage has not yet discharged estimating data for the 2019 Mustang Bullitt. Anticipate that it will cost a couple of $1,000s more than the $43,990 cost of the 2018 Ford Mustang GT Premium with the GT Performance Bundle. The Bullitt version goes on special at mid-year.